let's discuss Halloween gadgets you must buy before Halloween. All gadgets. Links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Haunted Hill Farm life-size zombie butler, a 60-inch touch-activated animatronic that's sure to delight and terrify guests at your haunted house or party. This eerie butler comes alive when bumped or touched. His head rotates, his eyes flash with bright white LED lights, and spine-chilling xylophone music plays in the background as he moans hauntingly. Perfect for indoor or covered outdoor spaces, he's versatile, and being battery-operated means you can place him anywhere without worrying about outlets. Pros: life-size and touch-activated for an interactive experience. Versatile for indoor or outdoor use. Lights, motion, and eerie music make it highly engaging. Cons: batteries not included, so you'll need to grab those separately. Could be too scary for younger children. Limited to covered outdoor use for protection against the elements. Next, Halloween Christmas projector lights. A versatile, waterproof projector that offers 14 HD slide patterns and mesmerizing 3D ocean wave effects, perfect for creating an enchanting display in your yard or garden. Whether you're gearing up for Halloween, Christmas, or any special occasion, this projector has got you covered with vibrant, high-definition animations and adjustable angles to suit your space. With a projection range of up to 70 square meters, it can cover your entire home and it's weatherproof, so rain or snow won't dampen your holiday spirit. Pros: bright, high-definition projection with both patterns and ocean waves. Covers a large area and has adjustable angles for perfect positioning. Waterproof and durable for year-round outdoor use. Cons: requires a corded electric connection, limiting placement options. Best results are in darker environments, so daytime use is limited. Some patterns may feel repetitive for non-holiday occasions. Next, Aignis Flameless LED candles. A stunning set of 12 waterproof battery-operated candles that bring the warmth and ambience of real flames without the risk of fire. These versatile candles are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, with a durable plastic design that withstands rain and sun. Each candle is powered by AA batteries and comes with a 10-key remote, letting you control brightness and set a timer for 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. Whether you're decorating for a wedding, birthday, or holiday, these candles create a cozy, romantic vibe. With a realistic flickering effect, you get all the charm of real candles without the mess of melted wax. Pros: safe and flameless, great for homes with kids and pets. Waterproof design for indoor and outdoor use. Timer function with smart remote control for convenience. Cons: batteries not included, and each candle requires 2 AA batteries. Some users may prefer the look of real wax over plastic. No option for color-changing lights, limited to warm white. Next, Haunted Hill Farm Hunched Skeleton Reaper by Techie. A colossal 7-foot-tall animatronic that's sure to make a spine-tingling impression. Motion-activated and terrifyingly life-sized, this Reaper's eyes and mouth light up in an eerie green glow while he speaks 3 spooky phrases to scare anyone who dares approach. Perfect for indoor or covered outdoor setups, this frightening figure also has the option to connect to a fog machine for an extra layer of horror. Whether you plug it in or use batteries for more flexibility, it's easy to assemble and ready to haunt your home. Pros: massive 7-foot size for a dramatic, terrifying effect. Motion activated with lights, sounds, and talking features. Compatible with fog machines for an added scare factor. Cons: batteries not included, requiring 4 AA batteries for full mobility. Fog machine sold separately. Assembly required, which might take some time. Next, Fansteck FOG Machine. A powerful fog machine equipped with 45 vibrant LED lights that create a dazzling atmosphere for any occasion. With a robust 500 WW output, generating 2000 CFM of thick, enchanting fog, this machine is perfect for parties, stage performances, weddings, and of course, Halloween. It heats up quickly in just 4-5 minutes and reheats in 1-2 minutes, so you can keep the show going without long waits. Plus, with its durable construction and a generous 600 milliliters tank, you can expect long-lasting fog production. Pros: fast warm-up time time and long-lasting fog output. Wireless remote for easy operation and customizable lighting effects. Durable materials ensure a longer service life and efficient heat dissipation. Cons: the initial setup might require a bit of space for optimal fog dispersion. Limited fog duration with a full tank, so refills may be necessary for extended events. Some users might find the fog output overwhelming for smaller indoor spaces. What's your plan for this Halloween? Share it with me in the comments. Next, Depointer Life LED Mask. The ultimate accessory for any cosplay party or masquerade, this innovative mask features an eye-catching design with 234 highlight lamp beads and 3,535 RGB LEDs that offer a dazzling array of 25 dynamic display modes and static images. Perfect for turning heads, it captures attention like nothing else. With gesture sensing capabilities, you can effortlessly switch displays just by waving your hand. Comfortable to wear thanks to its ergonomic design and soft sponge interior, this mask fits snugly, allowing you to enjoy events for hours. Pros: 25 dynamic and static display modes for endless customization. Gesture sensing for a hands-free experience, adding an interactive element. Comfortable and adjustable design for long wear. Cons: requires charging for optimal use, so remember to charge before events. The mask may feel bulky for some users, especially during extended wear. Limited visibility may occur due to the full face design. Next, join animated zombie Groundbreaker. Standing at 23.6 inches tall, this creepy animatronic decoration features glowing eyes and movable arms that add an unsettling realism to your yard or indoor space. Sound activated to enhance the fright factor, it seems to be breaking through the ground, ready to surprise unsuspecting trick-or-treaters. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, this zombie is an ideal addition to graveyard displays or haunted house setups. Made from durable materials, it's designed to last for many Halloweens, and when the spooky season wraps up, it conveniently folds for easy storage. Pros: realistic design with movable arms and light-up eyes for an engaging effect. Sound-activated feature adds an interactive element to your decorations. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use for future Halloweens. Cons: requires 3 AA batteries, which are not included, so make sure to stock up. Size may be a bit small for larger displays, needing complementary decorations. Setup may require some assembly to achieve the desired look. Next, LED Steampunk Goggles. These vintage-inspired glasses not only add a touch of Victorian glamour to any outfit, but also glow in the dark, creating a mesmerizing light show that makes you the center of attention. Perfect for Halloween costumes, rave parties, EDM shows, or rock concerts. These versatile goggles can be worn over your eyes, on your head, or even around your neck for a unique flair. With 3 lighting modes, steady light, slow flash, and fast flash, you can customize your look for any occasion. Pros: eye-catching glow and multiple lighting modes for versatile use. Comfortable, adjustable design suitable for all head sizes. Perfect accessory for various events, from Halloween to music festivals. Cons: requires 2 AA batteries, not included, so keep extras on hand. Hand wash only, which may be inconvenient for some users. Next, haunted doorbell animated eyeball. This spooky doorbell isn't just for greeting guests, it's a frightful experience in itself. Simply press the button and watch as the eerie eye opens with a bright green glow, spins around, and emits spine-tingling sounds that will send shivers down anyone's spine. Its vibrant animation and smooth movement make it a standout addition to your haunted house decor, especially in the dark when it truly shines. Perfect for scaring trick-or-treaters or unsuspecting visitors, this doorbell is not only a great Halloween prop, but also makes for a fun prank any time of year. Pros: eye-catching design with bright animation and scary sound effects. Simple to install with a mounting hole and easy button operation. Great for entertaining guests and trick-or-treaters alike. Cons: requires 3 AAA batteries, which aren't included, so be sure to stock up. The eye's animation may not be as effective in well-lit areas. Next, Haunted Hill Farm motion activated 6-foot tall guard zombie. This towering animatronic decoration stands at an impressive 6 feet, making it an eye-catching centerpiece for your haunted house or yard. As trick-or-treaters approach, the motion activation kicks in, bringing this eerie zombie to life with glowing yellow LED eyes and a spine-tingling lunging motion. Imagine the delight and fright on your guests' faces as the sounds of wind, thunder, and rattling chains fill fill the air, accompanied by haunting zombie roars that will send shivers down their spines. Pros: impressive 6-foot height for maximum scare factor. Motion-activated features create an interactive experience for guests. Plug-in operation ensures easy setup without worrying about batteries. Cons: requires access to an electrical outlet, limiting placement options. Some assembly may be required depending on the setup. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.